The day quickly passed through, leaving us with plenty of homework. Luckily, tomorrow is Saturday, so I can do homework tomorrow.
Hey, Asui-san.
Uh, Call me Sue.
Okay. Would you like to hang out after school?
Sure.
Awesome. Awesome. See you outside, Sue. I don't think I've ever trained that hard in my life.
Wow. I'm exhausted after that. I think I'm gonna head home. Gonna look at the homework so I can mentally prepare.
Yeah, me too. See you Monday?
See you then.
Bye!
After the training, I barely looked at the homework before falling asleep. The training was starting to take its toll.